Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys basically how you can get more festival tokens in Heartopia. So you are going to want to cook a lot of the popcorn and the tea. Some people say the set is worth more. Yes, it is, but it takes so long to cook because you have to recook everything anyways. So I just cooked a lot of teas, as you can see, and popcorn as well as some chips. So let's sell them into Zer and see how much we get. So sell items. I'm just going to basically press everything. I did make some wavy potato chips as well. And I did make some tacos yesterday, but we're just going to focus on the drinks here. So make sure you stock up on brown sugar and some black tea every single day and like from Massimo. Oh, this is actually giving me a lot of money. Well, festival tokens. And I think I'm just going to sell the rest of my flowers as well, actually. So this is what you can get from selling teas and popcorns. And then I'm just going to sell the rest here that I don't need anymore. And I got 37,000 tokens, which is a lot. It is harder to get tokens now, and stuff is more. Actually, stuff isn't as expensive, but they don't rotate anyways, so this is just going to be what you'll get. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!